It's pure magic. The magic of flight that has captured our imagination since Orville and Wilbur Wright. Now unleashed in its simplest form by the imagination and intelligence of this young Canadian inventor. But if he thinks I'm getting on that thing, he really is nuts.
Well, it's your turn now, huh?
I don't know, that's probably got a weight restriction.
It does, it does.
Yeah, I think we'll leave that to guys like you. Red Sharon, CBC News, safe on the ground near Sutton, Quebec.